Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start a brand new chapter, which is respect all the works. So respect all works lana anju ki lega changma la pushap chiwa. So whether akira porter imba inare ro akira farmer imba inare akira vegetables vendor imba inare ro um kiran tailor chigi na re khante ilega khante chiwa na t-shirt dot khante imba na nga jigi ilega sangma la pushap chigo re lai re lwa thare ki lupsen di so ngarang ki chapter di go chu ki changma thuna ya putero chi Harsaman and Ria are very good friends. They both study in the same school and in the same class. One day, they went to Sham Kaka's house. He was a potter. He was making some beautiful vases on the potter's wheel. He would put some clay on the wheel, and as he rotated the wheel, he gave different shapes to the clay with his hands. Ria and Harshaman were very excited to see the clay taking different shapes as the wheel turned. They asked him what he would do by making so many vases. Sham Kaka told them that he will sell the vases in the market. So Harshaman tang Ria lai ra Harshaman lana puche and Ria lana pumaredwa. The Quran ni di khante redulana they are very good friend. The roba chambo chiredus ra ni Quran ni lupta chikpache ani nyamdula zinda ina yang nyamdu changi dos ra ani nimachi Quran ni Sham Kaka nang la drodus ra. The Sham Kaka nang drodu Sham Kaka di khante redulana Quran di zama sugi chiredus ra. The border lay ranganji. And he was making some beautiful vases on the potter's wheel. The potter's wheel na kanangi di suisa ki di dua na di wheel di nanglo. Di wheel di nanglo lan kurangi zama di ning chabuchi sugi dos ra. And he would put some clay on the wheel ta. Anji ki zama suitu kapsla clay di luki yore ra. Ta clay la tu kapsla anji khande to chaki yore na anji thogi fine silicate minerals chi yore ta dini anji ki breaks down chana. Rather thodi breakdown chana nga jugi thodi chakna and then ni minerals to chi thungi yure ra fine silicate ta ship dos thungi ta dinju ki thonen nga jugi khala gore clay chaki yure ra ta di clay digi thonen nga jugi zama su ki yure ra. And he would put some clay on the wheel. The Quran clay the look ra wheel di nanglo lan chudi nyam de la mix hidu. He rotated the wheel and wheel di kora cap race ra. The kora cap to capsula and Quran shape di manji ki lakpa ki thone khande loga su ki yore ra. The de la Quran ki ta waina Quran ki pigi bang nang shingi ra manji ki mu ta sa de zama dua. The de la imba ina manji ki flower was looks atang ta loga su en yore ra. Ria and Harshaman were very excited to see the clays taking different shapes as the wheel turned. The wheel di kora kaptu kapsla roani clay di lakpa ki shape loga sugi ra. The dinte tonton kura pe excited chades las kura ngi ra. And Sham Kaka la kura ngi ki khan tuwa tondula na like so many Quran ki was mangbo sugi dua da was tinju ki mangbo di khande to chigi na lan tuwa tang dos lo ani Sham Kaka ki khangla dula na ani Quran ki was tinju changma chongki yue la like kyasa la ngi ki chongki yue la dura. Then they went to Maya Didi's house. She was making diaries and photo album out of the Nepali paper. A group of women worked together to produce the paper. They met Pushpa Didi, Nabina Didi, Samjana Didi, and Sashi Didi there too. They were all busy cooking and washing the Lokta plant. They learned that Nepali paper was produced from this plant. They were fascinated to see this. Okay, so later Radha Shugla Kuran so Kawa Chindulana Maya Didi Nangla Chintus Ran Maya Didi Kang Chindulana she was making a diaries and photo albums. The photo albums lana nganjiki par luksa laura nganjiki par tasa dila photo album lagi yure ra. And diaries la tu nganjiki we normally like notebook nang shinking nganjiki tidep nanglo la nganjiki important events so tigi wa ta nganjiki susiki nima la khante chigi ta denzo landa diary nganjiki So the diary di tang a photo album di khante to shre di lana Nepali paper gi sugyo re shas ra de okay. So Nepali paper gi sugyo ta Nepali paper di khante to shre lana lokta plant lai tu tela. Lokta plant lana anji ki plant chi tu ro ata di plant ki shizong lan anji ki sugyo ta kenan chu ki thuna te wa yu na ro anji ki lake side ta anji zu la tu tu kapsla chonga din zu la kenan kana ore ngajiki bookstore tang dinzo la yore ro ta kira tagas in case interested do chawai na tagas phala chinche ani ngajiki Nepali paper ki card zo yore ne tagas ke je chini ani kira in the tana yang digi yore ro ta ding ngajiki market dinzo la rakki do ta ngajiki khashi ki ngajiki kyasa dinzo la nyo wa ina Christmas card la to caps la paper di shimba yore ro ta Nepali ki paper la to this paper di tap tap do shto. So yeah, they met Pushpa Didi. A group of women worked together to produce the paper. The paper di swatch dilani pumo pume laura pume mangbuchi ani zomni ani kranche ki sugi dos ra and su thudilana Pushpa Didi, Nabina Didi, Samjana Didi tang Sashi Didi do last. And Koranso Khan Chidlana, they were busy cooking and washing the Lokta plant. The Koranso ki Lokta plant di two de yotang ani nyam de lan kuran so khala swela and busy de shasra and they learned that Nepali paper was produced from this plant and they were very fascinated to see that kuran so petala pe khala gore interested chados rata in the paper di khala gore plant ni chakyo re that especially Nepali gaji paper re ladan kuran so pe kala or interested chane khande dosh hinalan indi dosh hang da sang ra kuranso. On their way back they saw Lokman Kaka working in his shop. He sold edible goods. Sangeeta Didi was also helping her father in the shop. They also saw Rajman Kaka working in his field. Every year he grew crops like paddy, wheat, maize and millet. He also grew vegetables in the field. He sold the things that he produced in the market. Okay, so on their way back, the Quran's law to do kapsla, and Quran ki su tondulana Lokman Kaka tontos ra, and Quran ki shop la, tonga la, lega chiti yo tonshas ra, Quran ki del picture la tongi ra, and he was selling edible and edible goods. The edible goods lana anjiki sai yo khla den zong te shastra. And Sangeeta Didi was also helping her father in shop. Ta Sangeeta Didi acha di and mora in the yang chonga la pala nyam de ropa chiti yo thong songs ra. And they also saw Rajman Kaka working in his field. The can del picture left lata vaina dela Rajman Kaka thongi yore Quran khan chidilana shingala lega chiti yos thong songs ra. And every year ra he grew crops ta Quran lu tak prish Quran khande do khan tabgi dilana de tang tho tang ra magai la sopa tang ani kodo din chu tabki dos ra. He also grew vegetables in the field. Ta nyam dela cheshing din zo yang che din zo tang tabki dos ra. And he sold the things that he produced in the market. So Quran ki de tang che tang din zo sokpa tab kyo chama Quran ki kyasa la chong ki dos ra. As they were working Riya shoe store, so they went to Ramesh Dai's small house where he mended shoes. She requested him to mend her shoes and he cheerfully stitched it in no time. Finally they reached Harshaman house. As they were very hungry, they ran to the kitchen to eat something. They saw Harshaman's mother Nirmala cooking and cleaning. So the Quran so lam galo joti du kaps la Riya ki morang ki lam de and ra dos ra da torlana ra the chewaina re rawaina re khande chewana ra chedu kaps la ni Quran so khawa chindulana Ramesh Dai ki khangba chunchun dinang la chindus ra. And he meant it lana da Quran ki repair show da chemala ora hanje ki chemala na re da gam luka ina re da gun so re laura. And She requested him to mend her shoes and he cheerfully stitched it in no time. So morang ki khang la du landa ani da ngai gi jita de in the shin nong songs ran so ro chi la du ani krang ki he cheerfully landa da happily la da khai khai la ani krang ki chem shas ra stitch landa chem la da su by using thread needles la rang ji. And finally, they reached Harshaman's house, and as they were very hungry, they ran to the kitchen. So lastly, crown so Harshaman nangla lidus ra, and they were very hungry. The pet hasra, and they ran to the kitchen. The crown so, and so first thing the and so to call a kitchen of Tweedwa the crying by ina. Crown so kitchen la Joshasra and to eat something, and they saw Harshaman mother Nirmala cooking and cleaning the Paransuki. Amala Tondos ra and Amala de Kanchideshlana and it Sama Suyota and Kala Kujo Tondos ra. In the evening, the children talk about what they had seen that day. So the evening cups lara and Kuran so Pugudinzok like Keja Shadows ra the discussion she recall Chiwara the Tarinki Nimati Kante Shasundang Kande Tongsundang Lani ra. And they realized that everybody they made work for their living. The Quran to give the tendlana re the some realize some good some laura some dilana okay the Quran to give shija nang lo la laura the johnson nang lo yugo mi changma laura the ring to go mi changma ni Quran to give suzuki choa ge chu the da te chu dilana Quran to give lega chidus ra and everybody in the village work equally hard ta Quran to ki lega chidang de chikpa chikyang ki kali khawi dos ra ta ngui sa tang ani mi che di yakpu thej la ra comfortable life thej do. They also understood that household work done by their mothers were equally important. Ta Quran to ki che khang ko sudlana suzuki ama like la ra ama like lega chyo de na yang ani important data kitchen with the chickpa real it was ra ta amala gilega di nganji ki da mixing nganji ki nang lega di inte ki thonggi yo mare ra ta like tchit inte mambu gor ki ri na ya lega di chatgi yo mare so amala gilega di equally important race ra ta even nganji ki inte layo re nganji ki normal job di lawa ina ra general job di chizu kwani chizu nganzu gi chizu ngawa patila ta nganzu gi lega di chigi yore ro ina ya amala gi lega di shoppe ni chini konda manya patila lega di chi yore ro da di kranzu gi gotsu di kechimbo res ro no work is smaller or bigger and all work must be respected. So lega khande imba ina ro chembu dan chunjung lan la yo mares ro lega changma nganjigi kushap chigore ani tarang yi taring ki chapter di changma gi yapu go so ki reva ye ro tujina